When accessing the Dexway Authoring Tool, we can see the home page from where we can access various options available. From vocabulary, we can access all the vocabulary terms that are available in the Dexway platform.
Season.
And we can also create our own terms or vocabulary words, introducing an image and an audio file for each of them. In objectives, it shows the different objectives or elements of grammar that are given in the different sections of the courses. Each objective is associated with a certain level, A1-1, A1-2, A2-1, etc., and may contain an explanatory document. The different exercises or activities of the courses may have associated one or more of these objectives, which are the ones that are evaluated or those that are practiced in each corresponding activity. The Images section allows access to the resource library with all available images. The section has a search engine that allows you to enter a term or word to locate the images. From videos, you have access to all the videos of the Dexway courses, both the dialogues and the pronunciation videos or the classes. In a similar way to the previous sections, from voices, all the audios or voices of all the courses are available, allowing to search the audio to locate.
Table.
From preferences, you can access any of the preferences of the authoring tool, such as interface language or the email for the current user, etc. Finally, from the users, you can access the different users of the authoring tool that you have within your platform. You can modify existing users, name, language, role, email, or password, and create new users to those who will assign a specific role according to what they want on the platform. The administrator role of the tool permits you to perform any action that is available in the tool, creating courses, modifications, sharing, etc. The editor can see or modify the courses or the courses that has been shared with them. The reviewer can review the courses that has been shared with them. Upon revision of the courses, they can place notations on them, but cannot modify them directly. Finally, the invited can only view the courses that has been shared with them without the ability to perform modifications. The Courses section provides access to the courses of the authoring tool, from where we can create new courses, import courses from the platform to modify or customize them, or manage the courses we have created.